Hi, this is Gayle with BERNINA of Naperville, and I wanted to do a special video to invite you to come to our in-person sit and relax event here that we're having at the store. Now, this is a Stitchwise event, and Stitchwise events are BERNINA of America events where they get one of their experts that come around to our store and teach you everything that you didn't even think you wanted to know about a BERNINA, in this case, Q-Series machine. Now, we are going to have 6 Q-Series machines set up in our classroom, and you get personal one-on-one attention with that machine, and you're going to cover all kinds of quilting techniques with this project. And anything from Freemotion to mctavishing to ruler working, the whole bit. There's so many other things that you can do with these machines. I mean, one of my personal online heroes that I love to watch is Meredith Woolnough. She is a thread sculptor, and her work is amazing, and she uses a Q-Series. I also enjoy watching Lori Kennedy doodle. Amy and I, we even made our own kind of 3-motion flowers in a class from Carrie Hay at BU a couple years ago. So these machines are totally well-rounded and totally awesome. And I'm just really excited that we're able to give you an opportunity to try one with no pressure to buy one. It's going to be a great one-on-one experience with the Q-Series, and I really hope that you come and you're going to enjoy Betsy. Betsy Carlson is our educator, and she is a wealth of knowledge. And I mean, you're going to leave here with your head spinning, and it's going to be so much fun. Now, it's not just about what you're making, it's what you're getting with this event. You're going to get a BERNINA branded zippy project bag that's stuffed with a panel, batting, backing, your very own spool of thread that you can take home at the end, plus a ruler suitable for ruler working. So who's in? All right, so this event is October 10th and 11th, and we have 2 sessions. One starts at 10, one starts at 3 on both days. So there's 4 sessions, but there's only need to sign up for one. And if you're watching this video right now, I'm going to flash up a code right there on the screen. Yeah. And that code right there is going to give you an extra 20% off of the class. I really hope that you can make this in person. Sign up right at BERNINAofNaperville.com. Use your special code that I just gave you at checkout, and we'll see you then. Oh, yeah. And those of you that have already signed up, don't worry. We're going to give you that special discount too. And if you want to see more videos like this, check us out for other tutorials. Don't forget to head on over to our BERNINA of Naperville YouTube channel. It's easy. It's youtube.com/BERNINA of Naperville, and there you can like, comment, and subscribe. Now, come quilt with us. I know a lot of you really love our Zoom and online classes, but this isn't it. This is an in-person class. So best sometimes to have the tactile experience, right, of an in-person class, but it is an intimate experience. Can I even say that on the internet?